Hi guys, so in this session we are going to discuss about DQ questions. Very interesting questions friends, right? So once you have got the practice in solving these types of questions, you will be able to have a familiarity in solving any type of questions that is being asked in this pattern. So without any delay we can go for this question discussion, right? And I request you all to please subscribe my channel if anybody who has not subscribed, and share and like friends, so that it will be a great motivation for our team. Okay, so we will be able to put many more videos which will be a very likable one for you. So please do that, right? So now this is the given question. So read the question. Following are the set of elements inserted in the DQ. So these are all the set of elements that we are going to insert it into the DQ data structure. So after inserting this element inside the DQ data structure, what will be the final list of element present? So before solving this, if there are anybody who didn't watch my previous videos of DQ data structure, please watch that, right? Then only you will be having a clear idea of what is this DQ. Okay, so what is a DQ data structure? We are using rear and front pointer for both insertion and deletion. So based on that we are going to solve. So shall we start? So now see the first one, insert front. What is this insert front? That is in the front position they are asking you to insert the element, that is you are asked to use the front pointer. So I am going to insert 55 in this location, right? So now after inserting this, see the next question, insert front of 6. So I must have to decrement the rear pointer and I must have to insert 6, isn't it? So now 6 is the front element and 55 is the second element. So now see the next condition, insert rear of 21, that is by using the rear pointer I must have to insert this 21 value. So this will be my rear pointer, isn't it? See at current F is here and rear is here, isn't it? You all know that, right? So based on that I am continuing. So now increment the rear pointer and insert this 21. Insert this 21. So now see the next one, delete front. So I must have to delete the element that is being present in the front. So by deleting the front element, 6 will be removed and front is going to point to the next first element. Okay. So now this is completed. So next is insert rear, that is by using the rear pointer I must have to insert the next element, which is nothing but 11. So insert 11 here and this is my rear position. This is completed. Okay friends. So next is insert rear of 90. So by using the rear value incrementation I am inserting 90. This is here. Okay. So now delete front. This is the next operation. So after deleting this, 55 will be removed, isn't it? So increment the front pointer for pointing to the next first element. The last step what they have given is I must have to insert the rear. So insert 26 here, right? So now at present front is 21 and rear is pointing to 26. Now display. So if you display, how you will display from the DQ data structure? We are going to use the Q format for displaying, that is from the front the element will be deleted. Okay, that is for display alone I am telling. So 21 will be removed. So front is going to point here 21 and 11, this is removed, and then 90, this will be removed, and then 26. So this is your final elements of DQ data structure that is being present. Right friends, are you all able to follow? So this is the way you must have to solve. They will be giving multiple options. So among the multiple options you must have to solve and provide the right answer. Friends, I think so it will be very interesting one for you, isn't it? So try it by yourself. Okay. So in the next session we are going to meet with the next interesting problem. Bye.